back to the Simple Workshop. Today we're going to try to make ourselves a whiskey type barrel that I'm going to convert into a bank with a seat on the top. So I acquired a whole bunch of these rough cut 2x6 cutoffs that I wasn't sure what to do with, and that's what I think we're going to try today. These 2x6s I have, we're gonna cut them down to a 1.5 by 1.5 inches, which is, well, unfortunately we have a lot of saw work to do. That was only the beginning of the cuts. I have 40 of these here in case I make a mistake. We won't need them all, but better to have than not one. Now don't throw away these pieces. You want to pile these up. I'm going to have another project later on where we're going to use these. Okay, in order to make this nice tapered piece for the barrel, turned around and made myself a jig. 30 degrees, cut off a little top. All I used was my saw. Brought it down to 30 degrees, set it, cut it, did not go all the way through, and I finished myself a positive stop with the handsaw. I'll just set this up here like this, bring it to 22.5 degrees, set my back so the positive stop just touches the blade. Bring my clamp over to hold my jig in place. Clamp it down nice and tight. Then I would lay my piece on, come across and cut straight back. So 22.5 degrees and a 30 degrees off my jig. And there we have it, the last one. But we're not done yet. We have a lot more cutting to do. Here's my scrap pile that I got going on. Looks pretty good, huh? Remember, we want to save those for another project. Well, now I got all these cut up. They look pretty good. Well, I got this piece of 3/4 plywood that I saved. And we're going to need 2 10-inch circles. So I'm going to lay that out and cut them now. And there we have 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around and I'm going to put a screw right down through the center to hold them and sand them smooth. There we have it, nice and smooth, match that. I'm going to sand this paint off just to make it look like wood again. Wow, obviously there's a few coats of paint on there. Now, I have it. Alright, now what I did was I set my saw up inch and an eighth wide at 14 degrees. I'm going to cut these and see what they actually come out like. Alright, here's 3 of them. Now if you can see the degree there, an angle, so if I put the flat to the curve, flat to the curve, or to the angle, you can see how that radius is starting to go around. I only got like about 35 to 40 more of these to cut. Alright, now all this saw cut is over. It's time to start assembling. Alright, I have just a little thin piece of underlayment here that's going to keep me up about 3/16 of an inch. So we're going to place that here, place this guy on top of it. There's a little cheater method. These are 20 inches long. Each are 3/4. I wanted about a 1/4 inch or 3/16 overlapping on each end to make it look more like a barrel. I cut myself a piece of 2x6 that I'm going to screw in the center to hold my gap while I make the barrel. That will definitely make things a little easier. First thing we have to do is you take, remember we cut that end at a 14 degrees. You want to pay attention on how we put that on. I also have my handy dandy little air nailer out. Just a little 18 gauge, nothing real fancy. A little glue on there. Now as we get done, this board will be removed and everything will be next hollow barrel. Very important. Make sure you put this piece in square. If it's not square, it throws the entire barrel off. And we will be periodically checking for square as we go. Now the curved end, you can see that. We have a nice curve on this side, 14 degrees. We will glue and put that together. And as I get this squared up better, a little more secure, I will lay it on its side. Put a little glue here too. Just to help make things a little more sturdy. Again, check for square just to see how we're doing. I'm going to put a screw right in the top there just to hold me where I need to be. There we go. Good. Let's get a couple more on here and then I'll lay it on its side. There we go. I will take this and I will put it up against the edge of the piece just so my space stays the same. make sure that angle stays in there, otherwise you'll be reworking it. Not that it couldn't be fixed. Once you get a good pace going, you kind of want to stick with it. I'm almost to that point where I gotta pull that 2x6 out of the way, otherwise I will have a lot of trouble getting it out of the way. Okay, you can actually start seeing what we look like. Not bad, pretty cool. I have a couple of gaps, but that's kind of expected. It'll look very nice for an antique barrel. We will sand it off and make everything a little more tapered when we're finished. Pull this 2x6 out here. There we go. Right at the back. Now we can finish putting our pieces on. And if things come out a little crooked or cockeyed, it can always be sanded straight, adjusted, re-nailed. Back to my favorite saying of woodworking. Yep, I'm a little on the off, a little off, so we will have to modify one here. Make it a little skinnier, but that's okay. Let's see. Yep, last modified on the table saw and we'll make it fit. I'm going to take about 1/4 of an inch off of it. There, that should make it fit like a glove. There we go. Have to glue both sides on this one. Don't worry, we will square that up. There, nice, even fit. A little gap here, but a little filler, and we're good to go there. Even the piece that I took out would work very well. Yes, absolutely. Put a glue on that. That'd do it just fine. Let me wipe this off and we'll get ready for sanding. Okay, other than my random orbital sander that I will be using, I have a sanding wheel that goes on my grinder that will make shorter work of this. Now sanded fairly smooth, which is exactly what we want. See the scuff marks in the back of the light? See them? But that's kind of what I want. Now we're gonna put a little age on it, a little color to it. I have a little propane torch. do a close-up. That's what you're looking at. I'll lay it down on its side. Yeah, pretty good. Still missing something for a barrel though. Got a little rope around the top and bottom to hold it together. I wrapped up a little baling twine I just got from off a couple bales of hay. Ties them in a circle. I got like 5 wraps. Fairly tight. You can kind of see how hairy everything is. We're gonna fix that up a little bit with the torch. It's gonna flame and carry on a little bit. There, that's everything. Now if you want to lighten this up, if this is too dark for you, you can always turn around and take a random orbital sander, scuff it up a little bit with 80 grit paper, just to brighten it up. Just to lighten it up a little bit. I'm not sure if I like it or not. Something like that. Alright, we've got our barrel here. I decided what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to turn around and put a fork in it as an escape. I'm going to cut a slot here. We're going to make it a bank and let it double as a stool and a bank just for vacations or whatever. Got my cork here. Nice little 1 3/8 cork. Drill a hole right in the top here. Probably hit that with a torch and darken it up, but I'm going to cut a small slot in the top right here for a money slot. There we go. I have it all drilled out. I cut my slot, or drill the hole so I can get my saber saw in. I'm just going to cut the nice little. Get my torch now. There we have one barrel bank that is more than strong enough to act as a stool. Thanks for joining me today at the Simple Workshop. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I have a lot of other projects coming along. Maybe the next video or two I will show you how I'm going to wood burn this. Give me the thumbs up and a like, and don't forget to ring the bell. I'll see you next time.